choose View, Proof Setup, Custom. The Customize Proof Condition dialog box opens. Make sure Preview is selected. From the Device to Simulate menu, choose a profile that represents the final output device, such as that for the printer you'll use to print the image. If you don't have a specific printer, use the profile Working CMYK-US Web-Coded SWOP version 2, the current default. If you've chosen a different profile, make sure Preserve Numbers is not selected. The Preserve Numbers option simulates how colors will appear if they're not converted to the output device color space. This option may be named Preserve CMYK Numbers when you select the CMYK output profile. Make sure Relative Colorimetric is selected for the rendering intent. A rendering intent determines how the color is converted from one color space to another. Relative Colorimetric preserves color relationships without sacrificing color accuracy, and is the standard rendering intent for printing in North America and Europe. Select Simulate Black Ink if it's available for the profile you chose. Then deselect it and select Simulate Paper Color. Notice that selecting this option automatically selects Simulate Black Ink. Notice that the image appears to lose contrast. Paper color simulates the dingy white of real paper, according to the proof profile. Black ink simulates the dark gray that most printers actually produce, instead of solid black. Not all profiles support these options. Don't be alarmed by the loss of contrast and saturation that you may see when you turn on the display options. While the image might look worse, the soft proofing simulation is just being honest about how the image will actually print. Paper and ink simply cannot reproduce white and colors as brightly as a monitor. Choosing high-quality paper stock and inks can help a printed image match the screen more closely. Toggle the preview option to see the difference between the image as it's displayed on screen and as it will print, based on the profile you selected. Then click OK. Click the View menu, and if Proof Colors is enabled, choose Proof Colors to disable it. You can use this command to enable or disable the soft proof view that you set up in the Customize Proof Condition dialog box.